Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Hubitat Elevation Hub dashboards with Hubitat Web UI detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Enter the IP address of your Hubitat Elevation Hub into the address bar. Press the Enter key to access the Hubitat web user interface. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Dashboards section in the left-hand menu. Click on Dashboards to view a list of existing dashboards. To verify a specific dashboard, click on its name. This will open the dashboard in a new tab. Observe the layout and check if all the expected tiles are present. Verify that each tile is functioning properly. Clicking on a tile should display real-time updates or control options. If a dashboard is not displaying correctly, return to the Dashboards section. Select the dashboard you wish to edit. Click the Edit button to modify its settings or layout. Make any necessary adjustments to the tiles or their settings. To test the modifications, open the dashboard again in a new tab. Ensure all tiles are still functioning as expected. If everything looks good, you have successfully verified your Hubitat Elevation Hub dashboard. If you encounter issues, consult the Hubitat documentation for troubleshooting tips. Always make sure your Hubitat firmware is up to date for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.